Using the Displace node. Today's video is sponsored by the new wife of Kanye. Open your clip in the Fusion page and bring the Displace node. Usually I'll add a fast noise node and connect it to the Displace. Select the Displace node, increase the refraction strength slider, and then go to the fast noise node and play around with the sliders. Basically, you can use any image as a displacement map. Another way is to add a background node, change the color to white and connect it to the green point of the Displace. Add a polygon mask to the background node and draw any random shape on it. Increase the soft edge slider. The more you increase it, the smoother your Displace will be. This way you can make your own customized Displace map. You can even animate the mask if you want to change your Displace through time. The Displace node can be really useful, so it's not a bad idea to learn how and when to use it. If you like this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, that's not my problem actually.